Hi, welcome back. And in this part, we are going to finish out the rest of the organs of the urinary system before we dive into the kidney and look at what's happening microscopically. So we left off at the renal pelvis, and what exits the renal pelvis at the hilum of the kidney is a ureter. Okay, and so each kidney has a ureter. It travels just anterior to the psoas major muscle in the retroperitoneum. And from there, the ureter is going to be sending the urine into the urinary bladder. So don't get confused. We have a gallbladder, 2 words, and a urinary bladder, 2 words, although gallbladder is sometimes written as 1 word, and that's fine as well. So just don't be writing the word bladder for both of them. This is the urinary bladder. The other is the gallbladder. If we cut the urinary bladder open and look inside, what we notice is that the wall of the urinary bladder is quite thick. It has extra layers of muscle, and the muscle of the urinary bladder has a special name. It is called the detrusor muscle. The other thing we notice is that the inferior half, we notice this triangular structure, which is known as the trigone of the urinary bladder. And the reason why it's triangular is because the 2 upper poles each has the opening for a ureter, and then the point at the bottom is the opening for urine to exit the urinary bladder. And where it's going to exit is through the urethra. So that was the opening for the urethra, which in the female is quite short, about 1/2 to 3/4 inch, and in the male is variable in length, depending on the length of the penis. Now, whether you're male or female, at the distal portion of the urethra, in other words, as far away from the urinary bladder as possible, there is a muscle which controls the exit of urine, and the opening of the urethra is known as the external urethral orifice. Okay, orifice just means opening. So hopefully that word makes sense. And with that, we are done with all the organs, and I will see you again shortly as we dive into the microanatomy. Thank you.